The India we know today was once divided into 562 princely states, each tiny region ruled by its own monarch. When the British withdrew from India, they presented these dominions with the option to join India or Pakistan or remain independent. The map of India would have looked very different had it not been for this man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel set about the mammoth task of integrating all these princely states into what we know as India today. His keen political acumen, his skills in tact and diplomacy, and his outstanding vision are the qualities that helped him unite these scattered states into one unified India. The mollycoddled kings bent one by one to the iron will of Sardar Patel. That is how he earned the moniker Iron Man of India. His statue now stands tall on the Isle of Sadhu Bet in River Narmada at Kevadia in Gujarat. The colossal statue is a tribute to the life of Sardar Patel, his commitment to the nation's unity and his iron will in having the plan executed. The Indian government has also chosen Sardar Patel's birthday, October 31st, as the day that the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh officially come into existence as a nod to Patel's vision for India's solidarity. Patel also earned the reverential title of Sardar for his role in leading the Bardoli peasants' movement, which was organized against oppressive policies imposed by the British Raj. He became one of the most influential leaders in Gujarat and was guided by Mahatma Gandhi. He rose to the leadership of the Indian National Congress in 1931 at the Karachi Congress session. He steered and led many political events from 1931, including the Quit India movement. As the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India, Sardar Patel is remembered for organizing relief for refugees in Punjab and Delhi. Sardar Patel's birthday is celebrated as the Day of Unity. Tell us, don't you think the struggle to unite India was as great as the struggle to free India? And could independence exist without integration? Share your thoughts in the comment space below.